Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tracy and I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator here in Central Victoria, Australia. I'm coming to you really quickly with a very quick video. Just want to talk to you about my paper shares. So the Stampin' Up annual catalogue goes live on the 4th of this month, which is only a day or two away, depending when I get this up onto YouTube. But I am offering a paper share to anyone in Australia. So what a paper share is you'll get a quarter pack of every designer series paper that is new, and in the new annual catalogue, and let me grab it for you. I can't show you inside yet, but this one here, there is 16 brand new packs of the designer series paper. Now, most of these come in 12 by 12, but I'll cut them down into 6 by 6 paper packs. So you'll get a quarter pack of each of those 16 designs. Each one will become individually wrapped with their name as well as their reorder code if you would like to order more. And as part of this paper share, I'm also offering a free gift. This will be sent to you in a pack or tracked mailing throughout Australia. And what else? You also get an invitation to a special event. How could I forget that? So this is going to be fun. You're not going to want to miss this out because we are going to be playing with some of the pattern papers that you'll be receiving in the mail. And what's better than playing with some new stuff and getting some free stuff as well? Alright, so quickly, the price is $93 here in Australia for that quarter share. And all the information is over on my blog, so please go over and check that out. I do have a flyer and that is over there as well, so you can check that out. But if you have any questions, please get in touch with me. I'm really happy to answer any questions. Cut off here for this paper share is the 5th of May, so we only have a couple of days. I have had this out for a little while now, but payment has to be made before the 5th. So if you want to take part, and honestly you're going to want to take part because this is going to be fun, everyone, and it's a great way to get a whole heap of new product in your hand for a lot less. So you're getting 16 packs of designer series paper that you have got more than enough to create with for $93 shipped to your door, as well as an exclusive event and a free gift on top of that as well. Alright, so hopefully I have enticed you a little bit. Hopefully you'll come over and join up and let's have some fun. I'll be back with another video soon for you, so hopefully I'll come back for that. But have a great day everyone, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.